All right, what's up, everyone? This is actually a super exciting video, super nice trade where you really see me manage a trade in like a high stress sort of moment. And the reason I make this short little intro is because it was intended to be an extension of the previous video, but yeah, it's going to be very long then. So I decided to just make it a separate video um, because the trade deserves its own sort of, I don't know, like its own video in my opinion. I'll mention it at the end as well, but I'm doing some free coaching. So if you're interested in that, join the Discord or let me know through the comments, etc. And yeah, leaving a like, leaving a sub, leaving a comment, everything is very much appreciated. And without further ado, enjoy this crazy little trade we're doing. All right, the video was supposed to be over. Sorry for that, but I did enter in a long on the same trade. It just bounced off the area of interest, and it's a very well respected area. Also, it left a gap. I'm not normally one to trade gaps, but this is, as you can see, this is such a big gap. So I imagine the yeah, it's to go at least around here and then go further down. And yeah, so far we're up $261. Again, this is a trade where I'm going for the full account. So 300 more because it's a second phase. Yeah, we're going for 580. We're risking 250, so it's a little over 2x. But I might higher the stop loss in a little bit because obviously this is a sort of huge counter trend trade. It also might bounce off this area because this is the first little area. So um, yeah, we'll see. But I imagine the gap it wants to push a little bit further. So yeah, sorry for not ending the video just yet. But it's quite an interesting trade. I'll keep you updated. All right, let's see if we can pass the account together. What a crazy trade. It's 10 minutes, literally 11 minutes right now, or 12, almost 12, and we're up $500 on a 10K account. So 5% on in like 12 minutes. It's quite crazy, to be honest. But yeah, there was just huge volatility in the market, a lot of volume. So this was the area that I was talking about. This was probably the first resistance, this little area. Um, Hopefully it bounces through and we can pass the account on it. And otherwise I might just hire the stop loss to just secure pretty much the account, and then I'll pass the rest in another trade. But yeah, let's just see what happens. I don't think it will pass on this minute right now. Um, yeah, it's always hard decision because of this area. It's annoying that it's here. Um, it's an obvious sort of potential rejection area. I don't know if I want to lower my stop loss to under here because then, yeah, it's a lot of money lost. Let's just see if this 5 minute candle, it will probably test it. And let's see if it will break, yes or no. The 1 minute 50 EMA is acting as support right now, which is nice. I can imagine it takes, I don't know, probably not this candle, but not the next one, but the third one potentially can hit the TP depending on how this one closes. I think I'm gonna at least secure some profits here. I didn't even let go at first. What the fuck? All right. So we've secured 258, which is nice. But let's see if we can actually pass the account. I think it will test it now on this one. And then potentially sort of hit the TP in the one after. But yeah, I don't think this one will break to the downside. I think it will push up, but Who knows? I can be wrong, of course. Let's see. It's gonna be a longer video because of this. I don't know if it's good or not, but yeah. We shall see. I hope people like this sort of live trading content. I hope it just don't last too long. All right, there's a rejection. So 2 rejections from that 50 EMA. Now just go up, please. Don't try and fill these wicks, please. It looks ready to just go up. Yes, there we go. Thank you. Please go. There you go. All right. It will test it for sure, what we were expecting, but we don't want a rejection here because then it will actually push down. We need this one to close bullish, ideally close above the blue line, but that's going to be tough, I think. I think it's going to be tough, but if it closes under, there's a big chance that we actually will go low. 5 seconds. If it's closed like this, it's fine as well, but not too much down. All right, it's gonna have one more push, I think, to try. There it goes. Close. And it broke above. Yes, it broke above, but now it needs to close above. That's the thing. Also, the 5-minute candlestick will close in 1.5 minutes. So, fingers crossed. This is a rejection. It's not nice, but still 20 seconds left on it, so it can still close above. Oh, there we go. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. It failed to close above, so there's a big chance that we go down now. But still 1 minute left on the 5 minutes. I think we'll probably head down now, but we'll see. Come on, buddy. I want to pass this account. Would be nice. I'm still waiting to get the 2 payouts I requested. It should be here tomorrow. Then I have 2 funded accounts again where I can start collecting some money on. But a 3rd funded account would be nice. We've also passed the FTMO challenge, so we do have 3 accounts now. But hopefully if we can pass this one, then we have 4 accounts, 4 10k accounts. So that would be nice. Then we can really like sort of start with the regular payouts, right? Would be nice. Right now we have 2. Now we have 3, but it's still, I need to do one more trading day on the FTMO one, but I already surpassed the goal, so it's just basically a really small trade that I need to do just to have one more trading day. All right. Keep going. Just testing the highs now on the 5-minute candlestick, and it broke above, which is nice. However, we do need it to close above this blue line now. 10 seconds, looking good so far, but we're up 475 now. We only need basically $100 because obviously the commission and stuff, we need a little bit over. We need like 410 in the profit. So we need a little bit more. We need a total profit of 580. So still a little bit to go. Oh, almost there. $60. $50. That's going. $30, 25. Keep it up. Come on. There we go. Just a little bit more, $30. A new candle, I don't like it. I wish it was just the same candle that was going, but it ended up nice and bullish. So come on, $20 or 30, 20 now, almost. Oh, we basically hit it, but then with the commission, we were still a little bit off. Come on, buddy. No. Wrong way. Now we're like 100 short again. We were like literally $15 short at one, like just a little bit ago, less than a minute ago. It's tempting to higher the stop loss a little bit more, but yeah, I don't like this 1 minute candlestick. It engulfed, so that's bad. However, it did test sort of the line, the structure, so this might act as a support right now. Let's see how this one closes. I can imagine this 15 minutes won't close super bullish like this, so I think we're actually going down. So close. So close yet so far. No. We give it a little bit more. We give it a little bit more. It's making a last push. But we will higher the stop loss to here. Meaning we've secured 410. But let's see. It's very close. We're basically there. You saw 506, but we need like a little bit more because I just don't trust it with the spread and stuff. It's so tempting to close it, but the commission. Yeah, we got it. Nice. Oh. All right. So you guys basically saw me manage a trade into the TP, and this is a little bit of a different trade that I normally do. It's a counter trend trade, basically just based on my experience that gaps most of the time do get filled. I'm not a gap trader, I'm not an ICT trader or anything like that. But I've just noticed from personal experience, whenever there's such a huge drop, especially when it hit like an area of interest, then most of the time the next candle will retrace a little bit, and we took perfect. How do you say it? I don't know. We took advantage of it. So yeah, we passed the second phase. So and also we did manage it very well with the news, but that's the video of I'm probably gonna cut this in 2 videos because this bit is a little bit too long. So this is gonna be a separate video with a separate sort of this is gonna be a separate trade basically. So yeah, if you're still here, it's very much appreciated. Thanks so much. If you're looking or interested in coaching, I'll be doing some free coaching. And if you're just interested in trading overall, commenting, subscribing, and joining the Discord is very much appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye bye.